Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today we're going to be looking at the size differences of iPhone boxes. So here we have a box from the brand new iPhone 12, and this is probably the smallest box currently on the market. And over here, in comparison, we have a box from the iPhone 11 Max. Look at the size difference here. Let's take a look at the measurements. With the iPhone 12 box, we're looking at 3.5 inches wide, about 6.5 inches tall, and just over 1 inch thick, about 1 inch and 1/8 of an inch thick. And Apple has touted this box as being efficient and saving on materials. Now, just the prior version, here we have the iPhone 11 Pro Max box. So look at the measurements here. It's about 3 3/4 inch wide. Look at that. 3 3/4 inch wide. Almost 7 inches long. It's about 6 inches and 7/8 of an inch in height or length. And most importantly, it's just over 2 inches, about 2 inches in thickness. So there you have it. Those are the differences of the two iPhone boxes. This is probably the smallest in recent history, and this is probably one of the largest in recent history. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.